Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write short and simple essay on Teacher's Day in English. You can also write this under the topic 10 lines essay writing on Teacher's Day in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, Teacher's Day is a very special day. Second line is, we celebrate this day to thank our teachers. Third line is, our teachers are very kind and loving. Fourth line is, they make school a happy place to learn and play. Fifth line is, on Teacher's Day, we give cards and flowers to our teachers. Sixth line is, we say thank you for their love and care. Seventh line is, we also sing songs and do special programs for them. Eighth line is, we should always respect and love our teachers. Ninth line is, Teacher's Day reminds us to be thankful to them every day. Last line, that is line number 10 is, it reminds us how important teachers are in our lives.